You are not here by accident. If you have landed on this video, it's because your soul has been whispering, maybe even screaming. It's the time. It's the time to stop repeating the same pattern. It's the time to stop holding on to your pain that was never even yours. It's time to understand why things have left stuck for so long in your relationships, in your finances, in your health, your sense of purpose. You're not broken, you're not cursed, but you're carrying the karmic imprints, the energy loops that your soul is ready to release now. I'm here to help you do exactly the same. Let's be honest. How long have you felt like you are doing all the right things, but life isn't just flowing the way it should? You are tired, mindset shifts, journaling, meditation, courses, but no matter whatever you do, you keep getting pulled back into the same things again and again. The same patterns, the same pain, whether it is attracting unavailable partners, struggling with money no matter how hard you work, feeling disconnected from your purpose, repeating the family dynamics that again and again drain you, and always putting yourself last and burning out. Now, there is a reason why healing hasn't stuck yet, because the real roots of your block, it's karmic, it's energetic, it's soul deep. This is where Akashic Records comes in. Think of them as energetic library of your soul, a place where every past life, every soul contract, every vow, trauma, belief, and karmic pattern is recorded. When you access your Akashic Records with trained guide like me, you're not just getting answers, you're unlocking the exact energetic blueprint that's been running into your life behind the scenes. We don't just understand the why, but we also resolve the why and get the freedom that we are looking forward to. Now imagine this. What if you could stop chasing the relationships and start attracting love that meets you where you are? What if money no longer felt like a struggle but a strong flow that comes from alignment? What if you no longer carried your mother's pain, your grandmother's sacrifices, or the emotional burdens passed down from the generations? What if you remembered who you were because the world taught you how to shrink? Because when you clear the karmic patterns from the roots, you don't just feel lighter, but your reality shifts. And shift is healing. You start making decisions from your soul, not your wounds. You stop attracting lessons and start magnetizing blessings. I work with so many people who came to me saying, Sanskriti ma'am, I've tried everything. I just don't know what else to do. And within a single session, tears, not of sadness, but relief. Because finally, they saw the pattern, they felt the release, they remembered who they are. I once had a client who kept attracting narcissist relationships over and over again. During our Akashic Record sessions, we discovered a soul contract from a past life where she vowed to save others even at the cost of her own happiness. And when we cleared it from her Akashic Records, we rebalanced her energy. And within weeks, she ended a toxic connection she had been stuck for years, not having the courage to say goodbye, and felt more peaceful than she had ever felt. And that's the magic of alignment. So if you're still watching this, your soul already knows that it's the time. This isn't something to put on your someday list, because every day you delay, the same energy keeps repeating. Every day you wait, the pattern gets deeper and deeper. This is your permission to stop waiting. You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to do it alone. And no, it does not have to take years to heal. When you work with me, we directly go to the source. We access the records. We release the contracts. We guide your soul home. It's easy to say, maybe I'll book when I am more ready, when I have more clarity. But that's like saying, I'll go to the doctor when I feel better. Your clarity comes after the work, not before. And truthfully, there is never a perfect time. There's only right now. You're present. Now, the only question is, are you willing to break the pattern today or live it again tomorrow morning? If your heart is saying yes, listen. I invite you to book an Akashic Record reading with me. We'll go into your soul story, we'll uncover the exact karmic blocks that you are holding back and clear them with love, precision, and power. It isn't just another reading, it's your soul journey. It's the beginning of a new timeline into your life, one that's finally aligned with you, who truly you are and you're meant to be. Book your reading now at www.sanskritiseti.com. I work with limited number of souls each month. I almost do 400 sessions in a month, and because this work is deep and sacred, so if you are feeling a pull and there is an intuitive yes, don't ignore it. One session can change everything, and I would be honored to walk that path with you. Every soul choose their healers. Maybe it's your time. See you in your Akashic records.